Okay. Why are we... People. Come on. Nice. Sonny, go, go. Coming over here, I'm getting wet. Go, go.
It's wet because that's why it's skinny.
Go. Come in.
Oh my god.
Ah, unlucky.
You can't jump it if you want. Yeah, I drop my jumping now.
It's hard to, you need to get used to steering off on it a little bit. You need to adjust the steering so it doesn't steer so much.
Yeah. Right. Whoa! I didn't even get that on record. Dad, do it again, do it again. Do it again. Can I try? Yeah. Oh, damn.
Not hit that rock, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, I don't want to hit that rock either.
Go on. Whoa. Whoa. Go on, go. Go, go. So just go slow. Come on.
Oh, no.
So I just want to give it a quick check because it did take quite a big bang that time.
Yeah.
I think it hit the side, so that's what you've done right there. Right, start was broke. Yeah, take that.
Oh yeah, I broke it off. I broke the, whatever that's called. I get the whole thing off. I think I broke the brake crank. Think you can fix it?
Yeah.
And it finally broke, yes. Oh my god. This is about to die. It's good you bring tools.
Did you record what you've done to it?
So yeah guys, so I can't even see it properly because it's nearly dead. So yeah, I broke the back.
Is it even recording? No, it's
Yeah.
not.
It is.
Oh, it is, you're right.
Yeah, I broke that thing off guys. I snapped it off. But that's good because my dad can fix it.
Well, I don't know.
I think. So my dad's fixing it. It's dark and anyway, it's not dark but look. It is morning still. I've got school tomorrow, so look. He's fixing the back rank. Oh, look, he's fixing the back rank.
You have to try and be gentle landing it.
So I can't hit jumps.
Well, you can, but you need to be careful landing it.
Okay, careful landing it, got it. I think you can still record, but